Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to take a look at this product called QishioVid or QishioVid, or the way you pronounce it, it's up to you. So let me see if I can find a word for you. It's a QishioVid maybe, right? QishioVid, that's how we're going to pronounce it. Now this is the QishioVid review, and as you can see at the top it shows this video. This is a very powerful one-click video app, gets you unlimited buyer traffic in 45 seconds. Now let's not get ourselves confused. We are going to make this review only for a video app, okay? So it's got nothing to do with video marketing or buyer traffic or make money online. So do not watch this video in the senses that you will make some money with it or this will give you traffic. No, leave that aside. Money making, traffic, leave that aside. This is only a video app. It replaces the your need of Vimeo or Vistia pricing, okay? So for example, at the top here you can see these are the pricing for Vimeo and these are the pricing for Vistia. We will take a look into the review in details. But before we start the review, let's go through some disclaimers, because if you are new to our channel, you need to understand what the channel is all about. So first of all, the secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online, okay? So when you go on to Warrior Plus, when you go on to Zevizoo, make sure you don't end up buying any make money online offers, whether it is ClickBank, whether it is JVG, whether it is Digistore or this Warrior Plus or something else. Do not buy any make money online offers in bold letters, okay? So anything says, whether it's $1,000 offer, whether it's a $10 offer, whether it's a $100 offer, no money making course will make you rich. Mark my words, you will lose your money, okay? Those people are scamming everybody, whether they are selling the course for $1,000, even those are scammers, and even those who are selling the course for 15 bucks, even those are scammers. There's no difference between scammers, no matter how much the pricing of the product is, okay? Because anybody or everybody can only tell you three things. If you have to get some traffic or get some sales, go and run Google ads, go and run Facebook ads, go make landing pages, go make opt-in pages, do email marketing, this and that. This is, everybody knows, my friend, everybody knows how to get traffic. Google ads, Facebook ads, email marketing, auto-responding, everybody knows all that, okay? So you're not telling anything new to anybody, and you're charging $1,000 per course or per client, per customer. People are not idiots here. This channel will clean up all this mess, okay? So make sure you do not buy any such courses, and make sure that you understand the concept of bonuses as well, because a lot of affiliates or not actually every one of them, so except us, except me, the rest of the affiliates on YouTube will tell you the bonus, crap bonus, this bonus, that bonus. They'll tell you, I'll give you $10,000 bonus, I'll give you $5,000 bonus, as if they're gonna put that money into your bank account. So are you getting my point here? Bonus is something which gets credited into your bank account as a liquid cash. So all these affiliates crapping about bonus on YouTube videos, do not fall for that shit. You will never get any money into your bank account, okay? So I will give you unlimited bonus if you stick till the end of the video, okay? So we will take some time to start the review, because my audience needs to know what is going on the internet, okay? I need to tell everybody, be safe, because you lose money all the time online, okay? Now before we get into the review, make sure you subscribe to this channel as well, because if you don't subscribe, if you don't press that bell notification, you will not get real reviews about products. That means nobody else will tell you what is going on, and they'll charge you, they'll scam you, and you will lose your money. So for sake of your own safety, subscribe to this channel so that you don't lose your money, okay? Now let's get to the review website here. It's called QishioVid.com at the top. Now, world's most powerful video marketing app you have ever seen. So technically they are going to replace Vimeo and Vistia, that's what they're saying, and it's only a video hosting software. I have a demo for you. As you can see, we are logged in the dashboard, so we'll go into the dashboard as well. Let's go to the website features first. So it says Vistia style video hosting, embed hosting videos on any website or platform, share across social media networks for instant traffic, access in-depth video, all that. Let's go further down. We have some steps. So you have video hosting platform where you can just host your videos from your computer to the cloud. Then you have image editor, which means you can edit your images as well in the software itself. And you can stock websites. You have screen recording as well, yes, and you have some SEO team which they can help you to get some traffic, I guess. So not much on the website is only talking about features and everything. Now make sure you differentiate two things, right? So this is not a money making software. Don't consider the software if you're trying to make some money online. No software is going to make you money online, okay? Consider this only as a video hosting software. Now let's get in the dashboard here. This is the dashboard. Once you log in, you click on the dashboard right on the top left, and here you can see these are some videos or people who have logged in today. And if you go to profile here, you might see some videos. Yes, these are some sample videos. 6 uploads has been done. And once you upload your own video, it will come into your dashboard. This is a demo dashboard actually, so this is why it looks mixed up here. Now if you click on this upload video, you will get a browse box. Like you click on this browse thing, and then you select your videos from your computer, and then you can upload them into this software, and you will get a link so that you can share the video on social media as well, okay? Now this allows you to upload, I think, 1953 MB, so it's almost 2 GB. So make sure your video is not more than 1953 MBs in length, or in storage actually. And then you have image creator here. So let's go to image creator. This is the tool here. You have to just drag and drop your image here. Then you can draw the line, you can do text. So it's like Paint. In Windows 10 or in Windows computers, you have Paint, which you use to design your images. That's called image editor. So you have that, and then you have video editor here as well. For that, I think you might need to log in using a password or something. Let's see. Yes, so they will give you your password as well to log in, so you can take a look into this later on. Then you have those 20,000 stock assets. Let's see what they are all about. So you can download them, 550 code images. So this is something which you can use in your social media on Instagram, Facebook. And then you have screen recorder here as well. So you can click on start recording and stop. So this is good, good if you're going to make some YouTube videos. You can record your laptop or computer screen, and then you can record just the way I'm doing. I'm recording my screen and then uploading it on YouTube. So you can use this feature to record your laptop screen to make some presentation or make some videos. And then you have some video chat. For that, I think you will need to have some special access, so they will give you your username so that you can have some video chat. And then you have whiteimation. I don't know what this is all about. Let's take a look. So we are into the dashboard, and I was not able to figure out what this is all about, okay? So you can take a look into your own time what this is all about. Then you have support, you have training. So nothing fancy here, nothing much to talk about. You have seen the dashboard. Simply you click on upload video, and then you can save your videos on the cloud, and then you can get that link, shareable link, and then you can share that link on social media or wherever you want to get traffic. If you're running a blog, you can put those videos on your blog as well, okay? So now absolutely, let's compare the pricing here. So if you go to Vimeo gives you 250 GB every year, which means 5 GB per week. If you go for a monthly plan, which will be like $9 per month, it's showing billed annually $7, but if you change it to monthly, this will be $12 actually, right? Similarly, you can compare the pricing here. And if you go to Visia is more pathetic, because you see here Visia is giving 3 videos podcast to embed anywhere. So only 3 videos you can embed using free plan. And if you go for $99 per month, this is the most pathetic thing I have seen. If you pay them $100 per month, they only allow you to embed 10 videos anywhere. Only 10 videos per month. This is completely crap. Visia is total pathetic, and they rip you off. Now here in both the options, you can have only 250 channel subscribers, okay? So you can only have 250 subscribers. This is again pathetic. So if you're looking for an alternate solution of Vimeo and Visia, you can go for the software. Also, there will be some upgrades like inside, so it's not like you will get unlimited everything. You have to take a look at the upgrades as well. So this is the starting price is $16.26. Then you have $37. If you want unlimited, you might have to pay more. So you can look into the upgrades in the sales page. And yes, so if you are looking for a video hosting solution, then you can buy it. Leave that aside that you will make any money with it on autopilot. So this second line is not justified. So it says unlimited traffic and on autopilot. This is all this crap. Don't go for this line. Only the first line is true, that this video app will let you host your videos and things like that. So think of this software as a tool, as a video hosting platform. Apart from that, there's no use of this software, okay? So if you're looking for Vimeo and VC alternative, you can buy this software in one-time cost. Okay, the link might be in the description or might not be, I don't know. But in case you're running a blog, you already have a website or a blog, and you are paying monthly for your hosting services, then what I will do is I will put a link in the description below. That link will take you to this website called getlifesuite.com, and this website gives you unlimited hosting at one-time cost, which means that if you are using GoDaddy or DreamHost or Bluehost and you're paying them $10 to $15 per month, and you're not making any money, so that means you're paying them only like a extra cost. That's extra cost to you. Okay, so what you can do is you can switch from that hosting to this unlimited hosting, or if you're a newbie, then you don't have to pay monthly. You can simply buy this hosting at one-time cost, and then you don't have to pay again every month. All right, and apart from unlimited hosting, they give you other features as well. For example, they give you autoresponders and funnel builders and webinar creation tool and everything. So make sure you buy this, because this will help you to, in the long run as well, to create webinars and everything. So make sure you check out the link in the description below in case you are trying to find unlimited hosting. This is a solution for you. And again, in the end, I'm going to give you a unlimited bonus, as we talked about, because other affiliates crap you about bonuses. There's no such thing as called bonus, because nobody's going to pay money into your bank account. All right, but even if you are a greedy person and you can't live without bonuses, then I'll give you unlimited bonuses here. Just go to this website called idplr.com. okay, idplr.com, and once the website is open, you go to under free products. Here you have free ebooks, free software, free videos, free this, free that. Click on free software or free anything which you want, and here you will get all those free softwares, as many softwares you want with master resale rights. For example, this one here, you see affiliate PDF brander software. This is a master resale right, which means you can sell this to somebody else and make money with it. Okay, so these are free bonuses for you. You can download as many softwares, as many ebooks you want. You can give them to your email subscribers as a lead magnet if you want to, and this is absolutely free. Okay, I'm not charging anything for that. Nobody's charging anything for that. So ignore those affiliates who are crapping you about bonuses. Bonus is only a brainwash, because they force you to buy affiliate products which you don't even need. Okay, so avoid buying unwanted things. There's no such thing which is going to make money online for you. You have to have your own skills. Either make YouTube videos, either write blogs, either do something, do affiliate marketing. Okay, unless you do not have skills, you will never make money on the internet. You watch our videos to make money online. We have a different playlist, and we'll end this video for now. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you in the next video shortly.